Guys, we want to talk about Cryptomania here today in our video. So you see here we have 135,000.3 dollars. Okay, this thing here, these people Cryptomania will tell you that this money is real. Okay, but I want to tell you that this thing is called simulator. It looks as if it is real, but it is not. This account here is in level 2. You said your balance is like this. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. This available balance, you will not be able to withdraw these funds. Say your fund balance is 135,500, that you'll be able to withdraw watching video and get rewarded. Any video you watch, they'll be giving you $500, the daily reward $1,000, blah blah blah. My brother, my sister, this thing is not real. So don't even waste your time. You see, we've been doing it for a long time. Okay, you see the earning here is $135,500. See, the income here is 0.00. What we suggest here is that the income here is what they really value. So the income here is not in, they also trade as well, but the one they will be giving all this reward, they call it simulator. Simulator here simply means something looking to be real but not real. Okay, it looks as if it is a real thing but not. Where can you withdraw? There is no place here that is talking about withdrawal. They only tell you that your daily reward here, that you can, we are done with the daily reward already. Say $300 for a video. Then you see a challenge, premium, action, shop.
Lucky spin.
Yeah, you can also spin, luckily. So this lucky spin, even if you said if you spin for $8,000, you see, don't even try it. So
For house
and other thing, tax, where is the place that you want to withdraw? Is it a trading section that you want to withdraw? No. Do you want to sell this? No. Say $300 for a video. If you click this now, they'll say watch this video and get $300. If you watch now,
Focus on existing PC games
ads
is a
will be showing.
double-edged sword.
Have you seen it?
On the one hand,
Ads
it
will be
allows the
showing within
Tesseract to
seconds,
work out of the
reward
box
in
with an
zero.
impressive array of
You see
games,
now, they
which will
reward
no
you
doubt
once
help
this
with a
is granted. It says granted now. The reward now will come. Okay, you see you've earned $300 for just watching video. You've seen video reward $300. Okay, that you can do this back again in the next 6 minutes. You see, guys, please, if this is the first time you're watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. Welcome to Sub YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a blessed day. This is just for fun. It's not real. Okay, it's not legit. Don't even invest. Just stay clear. You will not be doing this reward and get withdraw. Okay, stay clear. Keep your money. Save your money in what that is paying you. All right, thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.